Hi developers, today we are looking at Podman, a powerful alternative to Docker that's gaining popularity, especially in enterprise environments. Podman is an open source container engine developed by Red Hat that runs without requiring a daemon process. Podman installation is very easy on Mac. Just download the client from Podman site. The installation is straightforward and includes everything you need to get started. Once installed, you have both the Podman Desktop application and the command line tool available. On Mac OS, Podman doesn't run containers natively like on Linux because Mac OS doesn't have the same low-level container support. So, to make everything work, Podman creates a small Linux virtual machine in the background using something called Podman Machine. This virtual machine gives Podman a real Linux environment where it can run containers just like it would on a native Linux system. Here I have a simple .NET console application that prints Hello Auto in a loop. As you can see, we have a program CS with the basic code and a Docker's file that we already used with Docker. Now let's build our container image. Once the build is complete, we can run our container. Notice how similar this is to Docker commands. If this video was helpful to you, please press the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks.